Hi everyone! How's it going? I hope you're all doing well and staying safe online. My name is Cowell, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to install, set up, and use Proxy Master VPN on your Android phone. Whether you're new to VPNs or just looking for a reliable free option, this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to install Proxy Master VPN from the Play Store, use the free version with available servers, switch server locations, and stay safe while browsing the web. If this sounds helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tech tutorials. Let's start with the basics. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It helps protect your privacy by hiding your real IP address and encrypting your internet connection. In simple terms, it creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. So what does that mean for you? Using a VPN can keep your personal data safe on public Wi-Fi, help you browse anonymously, protect you from unwanted tracking, and allow access to content based on different regions. Proxy Master VPN is a popular free option, especially for Android users. It's user-friendly, and while it does include ads in the free version, it offers basic VPN protection without requiring any sign-up. Let's get started with how to install and use it. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Search for Proxy Master VPN in the search bar. Step 3. Once you see the app, it should be labeled VPN Proxy Master, Safer, Faster Internet. Tap Install. Step 4. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Now, since it's a free VPN, you'll notice that ads will appear occasionally. That's how they support the free service. You can either wait a few seconds for the ad to finish or tap Skip when the option appears. Once the app is open, here's what to do. Connect button. On the main screen, tap the big Connect button to automatically connect to the fastest available server. Permission request. Android will show a VPN connection request prompt. Just tap OK to allow the app to establish a secure VPN tunnel. Connected. After a few seconds, you'll see a connected message, and a key icon will appear at the top of your screen. This means your VPN is now active and your connection is secure. If you'd like to choose a specific server from a different country, follow these steps. Tap the server or location icon, usually on the main screen or in the menu. You'll see two sections. Premium servers require a paid upgrade. Free servers with a cloud icon, tap on the Free Servers tab. Here you'll see several country options such as Denmark and more. Select the server of your choice and wait for it to connect. Again, there may be a short ad while connecting. Just skip or wait, and you'll be connected to that region. Let's take a quick look at the settings. Auto Connect on Start. Enable this if you want Proxy Master to activate every time you turn on your phone. Notifications. You can keep them on to know when the VPN is connected or disconnected. Mute ads. Since the free version includes ads, you can choose to mute ad sounds to avoid any unexpected noise. If you're ever thinking of upgrading, you can tap on the Upgrade tab to explore their premium plans, which offer no ads, more server locations, faster speeds, and enhanced security. But for casual or light users, the free version is more than enough for basic protection. To disconnect from the VPN, open the Proxy Master app again. Tap the disconnect or arrow button on the main screen. Confirm your action when prompted. If you want to reconnect, simply select Connect or switch to another free server of your choice. And that's it, you're now using Proxy Master VPN like a pro. It's simple, free, and offers basic security features that help you stay protected while browsing on public Wi-Fi, or just adding an extra layer of privacy to your online activity. Important tip. Remember that free VPNs often come with limited speed and server availability. So if you need high performance, ad-free VPN service for streaming or professional use, you might want to explore paid plans. But for regular browsing, checking emails, and staying secure, Proxy Master's free version does the job quite well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Comment below if you've tried Proxy Master VPN or have questions. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, browse smart, and protect your privacy.